Hi, yoga buddies! Welcome to our yoga time. Today, we're starting the morning with easy and gentle movements to help your body wake up and feel good. If you enjoy yoga with us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. Sitting cross-legged, one hand on opposite knee, twisting gently toward the back hand. Switch sides. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Stand tall, lift one leg forward or to the side, holding the big toe. Keep chest lifted and spine long. Alternate between left and right. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Stand tall, hands resting on heart, calm breathing, gentle smile. Sit comfortably and take slow, gentle breaths. Inhale through the nose, feel your body wake up. Exhale slowly and feel calm and ready for the day. You did an amazing job today. Your body moved, your breath flowed, and you're ready for a great day. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with your yoga buddies. See you next time. Namaste.